Hi there, I'm back. Today I'll take you through a couple of more functionalities. So far, we understood how to set up the site, how to set up the assets, how to do the ticket management, maintenance management, checklist management. So now we would continue today with the incident management. So the incident management is anything which is broken down at the site. You can create the breakdown or actually incident. So here, if you see, you just to check, you can take any particular date duration, and you can see the number of incidents have been reported, and mostly those are actually now resolved. Okay, so while for the first time, while you create an incident, you can create like this. There are breakdown codes are there. You can have your own breakdown codes as the master data setup, and then you can create also the new incident codes yourself. Then what is the breakdown? What is the current status? There are status like charge, resolved, restored, under breakdown, like that. And then you create the for the first time you create the incident, and then on timely basis you can update the status. You can also, once it is done, you can put the corrective actions, who has taken the action, when actually the action taken, what action taken. So that's you can do. You can also create the RCA document, and you can upload the RCA document against any particular incident, so that if you upload the select file, it comes up here and you would find actually a link to the document. You can download the document and you can see at any point in time. Okay, so this particular incident management is very important to calculate the availability of the site, and also to understand which asset is going for breakdown often, and you can calculate a lot of analytics around it later on. Okay, now let's move into the parts. So the parts management, it is the consumable or parts management module, where you have got actually the parts master, the supplier master. So you first needs to put the supplier master, and then you need to have actually the parts. What are the different consumables, spares, assets? All those you have to upload first. We can also have the facility to import parts and consumable. If customer gives the list of the things, so it can be actually imported. It's also you can import, sorry, the business user can import with a specified template what we provide. So once you have the parts, then you can have the parts management module. So parts management module has got five options. The first option is receiving. So when you are actually receiving the parts, what is the number of quantities, what is the serial number, PO, all these things you can receive it, and then you can transfer from one site to other site. So all different sites can come up here, and this is from the site master, and you can actually transfer one part from one site to other, and when you transfer, then your on hand would reduce, and that the other site on hand would be increased. Then this is more actually for the physical verification, for the compliance purpose. Whoever does the verification, who has done it, is there any discrepancy, how many quantities are there, what is the part name, all those get submitted. So that's more actually for the compliance purpose. Then you see actually one feature here, the on hand and MSL. So this is the minimum stock level. When the on hand quantity is lessened by the MSL, then it turns red. So it actually attracts the attention that you need to raise the purchase order. So the purchase order, this is a very simplified version of the purchase order. You just need to send the mailer, how many quantities you need, and if you have got a PO number, you can just put it, and you request the sales guy to purchase for yourself. Okay. So this is simplest things. But if you have got customer has got any sort of product or SAP system, we can develop the interface from this system to SAP or any asset management system where the information can flow. Okay. The last one is the view history. Anything and everything does done for particular part, so you would find the different actions. So here the actions are not there, so that's why you are not able to see. But if you, whether you have received or you have transferred or you have raised the request purchase order or the physical verification has happened, so all those things actually comes here as one by one activities. Okay. So that's pretty much for today. We would continue with the sessions later on. Thank you so much.